Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn about shell sort. Shell sort is one kind of external sorting. External sort we have learned before that why we go for external sorting is if you want to rearrange the large amount of data, we go for external sorting. One of the kind of external sorting we have seen before, that is merge sort. Now second type is shell sort. So let's take a data elements like 9, 5, 7, 8, 4, 2, 6, 1 in an array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we do in this shell sort is 0 to 7, that is 8 elements. So 8 by 2 is 4. Number of elements by 2 is equal to 4. So we divide this array into two equal parts. So 9, 5, 7, 8. One more is 4, 2, 6, 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we compare this 0th element with this 0th element, and this first element with this first element, and this second element with this second element, and this third element with this third element. So on comparison, how we get this? As 9 is greater than 4, so 4 will come here, and 5 is greater than 2, 2 will come here. 7 is greater than 6, 6 comes here. 8 is greater than 1, 1 comes here. And all the large elements 9, 5, 7, 8 goes into the second one. Next, still they are not, if we club them 4, 2, 6, 1, 9, 5, 7, 8, still they are not sorted. So again, as the array size is 4 here, 4 by 2 equal to 2. So we divide this into again two equal parts. This 4, 2, 6, 1, 9, 5, 7, 8. Now we compare this 4 with 6, 2 with 1, 9 with 7, 5 with 8. On comparison, 4 is small, so 4 will be here, but 1 is smaller than 2, so 1 will come here, 6 here, 2 here. Again, 7 is smaller than 9, 7 here, 5 is smaller, it stays here, here 9, here 8. Still they are not sorted, so as this is of 2, array size is 2, 2 by 2 equal to 1. But if we divide it into 1, it won't work out, because we can jumble it and we can only merge them and say it is sorted. So if we get 1, we need to perform insertion sort. As insertion sort is one of the way to sort the elements very easily. So if we get 1, we need to perform insertion sort. Insertion sort we have already studied before. So once again, let's look at it, how it works. Here now the data elements are 4, 1, 6, 2, 7, 5, 9 and 8. As you know, insertion sort, it is divided into sorted, unsorted. So now we compare this sorted with unsorted one. 1 is less than 4. So we write this as 1, 4, this is sorted part, 6, 2, 7, 5, 9, 8. Now we compare this 4 with 6 and 1 with 6. On comparison, 4 with 6 and 1 with 6, these two are only smaller. So it goes like this: 1, 4, 6, 1 4 6 2 7 5 9 8. It goes to sorted, unsorted. Next, again these three elements we compare with this second one. 1 6 less than or equal to 2, yes. And again 4 less than or equal to 2, yes. 1 less than or equal to 2, no. So what we do? We sort them. 1 2 4 6 7 5 9 8. Now these are the sorted, these are unsorted. Next, again we need to compare this 4 with this 1. 6 less than or equal to 7, sorry, 7 less than 6, no. 4 less than 6 7, no. Sorry, 7 less than 4, no. 2 less than 7, sorry, 7 less than 2, no. 7 less than 1, no. So no need to swap anything. 1 2 4 6 7 5 9 8. This is sorted, these are unsorted. Again this 5 we have to compare with the element number 5, element 5. 5 less than 7, yes. 6 less than 5 less than 6, yes. 4 less than 5, no. 2 less than 5, no. 1 less than 5, no. Sorry, 5 less than 1, no. 5 less than 2, no. 5 less than 4, no. So what we need to write? 1 2 4 5 6 7 9 8. Till here sorted, these are unsorted. Again we need to compare this 6 elements with this 9th element. So in comparison, 9 less than 7, no. 9 less than 6, no. 9 less than 5, no. 9 less than 4, no. 9 less than 2, no. 9 less than 1, no. So what we do? 1 2 4 5 6 7 9 8. We take this as sorted, this is unsorted. Now we need to compare this 7 elements with this element 8. 1 2 wait. 8 less than 9, yes. 8 less than 7, no. 8 less than 6, no. 8 less than 5, no. 8 less than 4, no. 8 less than 2, no. 8 less than 1, no. So 8 is less than 9. So what we do? We place it before. 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now all are in sorted order. In this way we can sort the elements using shell sort until we get 1. We need to sort like this. If we get 1, we need to perform insertion sort, as insertion sort is one of the easiest way to sort the elements. So in our next tutorial we are going to learn about more sorting techniques like quick sort and heap sort. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. So and click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of the new videos which we upload. Thank you.